Today start the 7th day class. Suppose not watching my video, please watch. I already put the 6th class, 6th topic over. Now start the 7th class, 7th topic. So continue, watch only, understand the Python software. That's why I told you. Yeah, today start flow of execution. So for execution the program. So execution always begin at the first statement of the programming. Statements are executed from top to bottom. Python software statements, every statement execute top to bottom. There are three categories is using: sequence, selective, iterative. Sequence means all the instructions are executed one after another. So sequence means executes a sequence order, not unorder, orderly execution. Some examples program I tell you. So area of the square. Calculate the area of the square. R equal to input, enter the radius value. A equal to by value 3.14 into R into R. So I give the R value 2. So 3.14 into 2 into 2. So 12.56 answer. So first sequence means first get the input, second one calculation the value, third the print. So one by one order automatically execute. That is called the sequence. Understood? Second one, selective. Select in this program, some portion of the program is executed based upon the condition test. So selective means condition check. Say condition true or false. Say any one statement execute. Condition true means true portion statement execute. Condition false means false portion statement execute. That is the condition checking. Condition checking, write the program. If the condition test is true, compiler will execute some part of the program. Condition true, automatic compiler, what the statement is that the statement is execute. Otherwise, it will execute the other part of the program. So condition true, first part is execute. Condition false, second part is execute. Understood clearly? So the Python program, if statement only implemented the Python program. If condition colon, see CPP not use the colon or semicolon. So okay, this Python program include the special program, no. So include the function execution, put colon. If condition colon statement else statement. So I simple program tell you greater than two numbers. A value get in A equal to input enter A value. B equal to input enter B value. I get the two value. If A greater than B, assign. If A greater than B, if A is true, A is greater. Suppose A is false, B is true, B is greater. Okay. So I give A value 5, B value 10. So which one is the greatest? Condition is false. So automatically second statement exit. B is greater. Understood clearly? Next, iterative. These some programs certain set of statement are executed again and again. So continuous statement is called the iterative statement. Another one name is loop statement. So again based upon the condition test. So execute the more than one time. Then type of execution is called the looping. More than one time execute the program, that is called the looping. So for variable in range, start plus one step. Here also put colon statement. So simple program C. For print 1 to 10 numbers. How to print the 1 to 10 numbers? I write the program. Get the number of inputs for I in range n 1 comma n plus 1. So I value 1, n plus 1. So 1 plus 1. So again this loop is continue. So for I in range I plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Continue processing, processing. Condition for end of the condition is failure, still processing 10 times. This loop is executed. Okay. Next, the same method, while loop using while condition colon statement for get the n value n less than 10. I give the n value 1, 1 less than 10, condition true. So I value is 1 print. Again increment. How many times execute this program? 10 times. So condition is false. Afterwards go out the loop. Okay. So repeated processing. So for loop and while loop using the Python software. Repeated processing. In understood or not, in repeated processing means condition true. So in the condition false. False of the condition coming, we can processing continually. We should process continually. That is called the looping. True na false ஆகுற முடி continue check பண்ணும். False na true ஆகுற வரைக்கும் condition continue process ஆயிடும். Okay. So all of you understood this topic. So selection, equation, selective and iterative. Okay. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share your friends. Continue watch my video. That's why I understood the concept. Again I tell you that this is the new concept for Python introduced in the last year. Yeah, that's why I told you. Please subscribe my channel and share your friends. Thank you.